Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your display name on Regpack. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in regpacks.com in the URL box. Log into your Regpacks account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're signed into your account, from the main homepage, go ahead and click on your name at the bottom left. In the pop-up, click on Edit Profile. Now, right under first name and last name, you will need to go ahead and make necessary edits. Simply go ahead and change your name, or you can also change in your last name, and finally click on Update Profile at the bottom right in order to change your display name on Regpacks. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.